Welcome back, nature enthusiasts, to another thrilling episode of Animals Found Frozen in Ice. Today, we embark on an icy journey into the heart of the unknown, where ancient mysteries and incredible discoveries await beneath the frozen surface. Join us as we uncover the astonishing stories of creatures preserved in ice for millennia, frozen in time and waiting to reveal their secrets to the world. Moose. Encountering an animal preserved in ice is already a rare occurrence, but stumbling upon two animals seemingly frozen in the midst of an interaction is even more extraordinary. Yet, that's precisely what a pair of hikers experienced in Alaska back in 2016. Underneath a thick layer of 8 inches of ice, the hikers were greeted by a remarkable sight. 2 moose locked in combat, their antlers entangled in a fierce struggle. It was evident that the moose were fully engaged in their confrontation, completely oblivious to the encroaching frost. During the autumn season, male moose often display heightened aggression towards one another, typically stemming from territorial disputes or competition for the attention of females. At some point, these 2 individuals became entangled in combat, resulting in their antlers becoming intertwined. Tragically, it's likely that the intense struggle led to their demise, as they likely drowned in the frigid waters before being enveloped by the dropping temperatures and frozen over. Upon the discovery of these frozen combatants, local enthusiasts stepped in to carefully extract the moose from the ice, recognizing the significance of the find. Their efforts were aimed at preserving this unique and captivating spectacle for posterity, ensuring that the remarkable encounter would be remembered and appreciated for years to come. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. We aim to reach 1,000 subscribers to continue the channel. The Yuka Mammoth. The Yuka Mammoth stands out as one of the most renowned and scientifically significant discoveries in the realm of ancient animals. Unearthed in 2010 from the Siberian permafrost along the Laptov seacoast in Russia, this 39,000-year-old mammoth astonished researchers for several reasons. What made the Yuka Mammoth particularly remarkable was its state of preservation. Unlike many other mammoth specimens, it was mummified, and notably, it possessed the most well-preserved mammoth brain ever found. Its brain exhibited discernible folds and blood vessels, offering an unprecedented glimpse into the neurological structure of these ancient creatures. The discovery of the Yuka Mammoth provided invaluable insights into mammoth biology and behavior, aiding in our understanding of this species. Detailed examinations of its brain revealed striking similarities to modern-day elephants, prompting researchers to explore improved methods for preserving mammoth remains in the future. In addition to the Yuka mammoth, several other mammoth specimens have been unearthed in the same region, albeit in varying states of preservation. These discoveries have sparked significant interest among researchers, primarily due to their relatively intact DNA and their resemblance to extant species. Given the mammoth's intriguing status as an extinct animal closely related to contemporary counterparts, it has emerged as a promising candidate for de-extinction efforts using advanced technology. With advancements in genetic engineering and a measure of fortune and determination, there's optimism that mammoths could once again roam the Earth in the not-too-distant future. The prospect of witnessing the resurrection of these magnificent creatures is undoubtedly a tantalizing one, offering hope for the revival of species long gone from the natural world. Fish. For fish, living in water means that ice can serve as both a lifesaver and a threat. The unique phenomenon of ice floating atop water acts as insulation, helping to maintain warmth and enabling fish to endure dropping temperatures. However, there are times when fish aren't so fortunate. In 2014, an abrupt cold snap driven by a sharp eastern wind caused temperatures to plummet rapidly around Norway's Lofoten Island, resulting in the instantaneous freezing of parts of the ocean. Regrettably, for a sizable shoal of fish, believed to be fleeing from a predator at the time, there was no opportunity to evade the encroaching ice, and they found themselves immobilized. The ice sheet formed was so thick that it provided a safe pathway for people to walk across, affording them the chance to capture astonishing images of thousands of fish suspended in time. This event had significant repercussions on the local ecosystem. With the fish trapped beneath the ice, birds struggled to find sustenance, leading to an eerie silence in the skies until the ice eventually thawed. The incident served as a stark reminder of the delicate balance within natural environments and the profound impact that sudden environmental changes can have on the interconnected web of life. Yuka bison. Siberia, renowned for its extreme cold, has been inhabited for millennia, making it a treasure trove for discovering frozen animals like the Yuka mammoth. In 2011, another significant find emerged in close proximity. The mummified remains of a steppe bison, the ancient precursor to the modern bison. Unearthed by a tribe in the Yana Indigirka lowland, the bison's discovery was remarkable due to its exceptional preservation. Its brain and other organs were nearly pristine, rendering it the most complete steppe bison specimen ever recovered. This remarkable state of preservation has allowed researchers to conduct extensive studies on various aspects of its anatomy, including its brain, heart, digestive system, and blood vessels, despite the specimen being over 9,000 years old. Despite the absence of visible injuries, the bison's lack of body fat around its abdomen offers clues to its demise. It is hypothesized that starvation, induced by the rapidly changing environment of the era, likely led to its death. This finding sheds light on the challenges faced by ancient animals as they grappled with environmental shifts, providing invaluable insights into the prehistoric ecosystem of Siberia. Przewalski horse. In 1968, while gold miners were excavating tunnels approximately 30 feet beneath the surface of the Indigirka River in Siberia, they stumbled upon an unexpected discovery: 2 legs and a tail of a pony protruding through the roof of one of their tunnels. Seeking assistance, experts from the Zoological Institute of St. Petersburg were summoned to aid in the recovery of the complete animal, which they successfully accomplished, except for its head. The body was identified as belonging to a Przewalski horse, a species currently only found in Mongolia. Remarkably, this particular specimen appeared to have perished around 35,000 years ago. Analysis of the remains indicated that the horses lived relatively similar lives back then, compared to their modern counterparts. Examination of the stomach contents revealed a diet consisting of grass, sedge, herbs, and woody plants. The fact that the stomach was full suggests that the horse met a swift demise. The position in which the horse was found offers significant insight into its fate. With its forelegs outstretched and its hind legs pointing downwards, it appears as though the horse became ensnared in a bog, unable to extricate itself. This scenario suggests a tragic end for the ancient equine, trapped in a quagmire with no means of escape. Woolly rhinoceros. Siberia continues to unveil remarkable discoveries, as demonstrated by the revelation in 2007 of the remains of a woolly rhinoceros, shedding light on the ancient fauna of the region. Woolly rhinoceroses were once prevalent across Eurasia, but due to their existence approximately 39,000 years ago, finding well-preserved carcasses of any significance is exceedingly rare. However, the discovery of a female specimen, buried about 20 feet deep in the Kolyma River, proved to be an invaluable resource for researchers seeking insights into the life of these prehistoric creatures. Examinations of the body provided insights into the dietary habits and physical characteristics of woolly rhinoceroses. Analysis revealed them to be herbivores, primarily subsisting on cereals. Comparable in size to the Javan rhinoceros, they possessed long bodies, short legs, a flattened front horn, and exceptionally thick skin and fur. Adaptations essential for enduring the harsh cold of their environment. Despite their substantial weight, approximately 1.5 tons, woolly rhinoceroses boasted notably shorter tails and ears compared to their modern counterparts. The demise of the woolly rhinoceros is now believed to have been influenced, in part, by their inability to adapt to extreme cold conditions, particularly when faced with heavier than usual snowfall. Their considerable weight, coupled with their short legs, predisposed them to becoming trapped in snowdrifts, rendering escape impossible. The fate of the Colima rhino likely mirrored this scenario, representing a significant contributing factor to the species' ultimate extinction. This discovery underscores the delicate balance between environmental conditions and the survival of ancient megafauna, offering valuable insights into the factors driving prehistoric extinctions. Tardigrade. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, have earned their place on this list not only because of the length of time they can remain frozen, but also due to the profound scientific implications of their discovery. These minuscule water-dwelling creatures, measuring less than 1 millimeter in size, possess remarkable abilities to survive in extreme conditions. They achieve this feat by slowing down their bodily processes or entering a state of complete dormancy for extended periods. This unique adaptation enables them to endure freezing temperatures, a trait that proved instrumental in a groundbreaking discovery in 2014. Specimens of tardigrades collected from moss plants in Antarctica back in 1983 were stored in a laboratory at a bone-chilling 20 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Fahrenheit. While such conditions would typically prove fatal for most organisms, 3 decades later, these tardigrades were thawed out and miraculously revived, a historic feat marking the first documented instance of any organism surviving after such an extended period of cryogenic preservation. Remarkably, not only did both an egg and a living tardigrade emerge from this icy slumber, but the revived tardigrade subsequently laid 14 eggs, all of which hatched successfully without any signs of deformity or abnormality. While tardigrades have evolved to withstand extreme environmental pressures, their unprecedented revival has provided invaluable insights into the effects of freezing temperatures on living tissues. Moreover, this discovery holds promise for the development of techniques to enhance human resilience to cold conditions, potentially prolonging our ability to cope with freezing environments. Through these astonishing discoveries, we've glimpsed into the past, unraveling the mysteries of ancient creatures and the environments they once inhabited. Each frozen specimen serves as a testament to the resilience of life and the wonders of nature. Thank you for joining us on this expedition of discovery. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment about the video, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos. We aim to reach 1,000 subscribers to continue the channel.